Today, we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite I bought from Amazon.com. Many of you probably didn't know that this phone existed. This phone was released on January 21, 2020, just soon after Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus was launched. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite is the affordable version of the flagship sisters Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus. The Lite version launched at a price of $720 compared to the $1,000 Note 10 and the $1,300 Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The shipping box came in without dents, and inside it are the actual phone box and a charging adapter. The box itself looks premium with a print of the Galaxy Pen in front. Upon opening the case, you will see the card slot pin on the first layer, the phone itself on the second layer, and a compartment that houses the super fast charging adapter, the USB cable, and a 3.5mm stereo ear jack. Onto the phone itself, it looks as premium as Galaxy Note 10, and by just a quick look at it, you won't even see the difference. Because it's still Note 10, of course, we have the iconic S Pen in color blue. On the left corner of the phone, you see the micro SD and a nano SIM card slot. I got the Hour Glow option, which is still a magnet for fingerprints, just like the high-end sister Note 10. This is what it looks like when you power it up for the first time. I will do a 1 year after review on this phone and see if I made the wise decision purchasing the more affordable version of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series. Subscribe for more how-tos, unboxings, review videos, and many more. Thank you for watching.